What's going on, boaters? We are on a fresh new trade, a 2024 South Bay with only 75 hours on it. There's still so much life left in it. Let's check out a few features. Starting off in the front, you have your two bow couches with Wet Sounds audio throughout the whole boat. You have your in-seat cup holders that are lighted. In here, you're gonna have flip-up storage with charging so you can keep your phones nice and dry. You're gonna get your bow filler cushion. You can have it on the side, move it to the front, move it to the back. You have your captain's chair and co-captain's chair with your co-captain, cup holder caddy. And at the helm, you have your Lowrance touchscreen display with your analog gauges. You have a wireless phone charger holder. You have your two bow couches back here with lots of in-seat storage. And at the back, you have your ski tow bar, and you are gonna have your Minn Kota Talon. Super nice when you're gonna go park at the sandbar or whatnot. You're gonna wanna come check out this boat at MarineMax in Nisswa or visit it on our website at marinemax.com. Let's get you out on the water this summer.